Greetings, gas fanciers, and welcome to my weekly webcast, the science phenomenon that is gasbangwallop.com, brought to you by me, Barry Bernard, and my trusty companion there behind the camera, Clive. This week's item of doom is Clive's mum's old washing machine. It's sadly come to the end of its useful cycle after a badly soiled bedsheet. So, without any further ado, let's get gastronomical. Come on, Clive, get out of the way, you great fat ape. Right, I'm going to put the balloon in now. How am I going to do this, Clive? Right, the gas is in position. I have the fuse in my hand. So we can now prepare to witness the cosmic forces that are locked within the balloon of gas. Right, leg it, Clive! Quick, run! Come on, Clive, you big pig! Have you got me in? Oh my good God! Look, pieces of flying metal. Can you see that, Clive?
It's the final countdown.
gasbangwallop.com, coming at you with clogs on.